Hi everyone. So today's topic is currency swap facility. Recently, Bangladesh provided a $200 million currency swap facility for Sri Lanka to solve their balance of payment crisis. So what is this currency swap? Currency swap. What is swap means? Swap means exchange. So currency swap means currency exchange. When a country is in balance of payment crisis, that means the country doesn't have enough foreign currency to pay off its debts, external debts. When if a country borrowed from foreign countries, okay, if Sri Lanka borrowed from an external country or from the World Bank or an IMF, then when they are repaying their debts, even though they have money, they need to repay it in dollars or the currency in which the country took the loan. Okay, if a balance of payment crisis going on in an economy, they will not have enough dollars to pay to repay the loans. They could not repay it in Sri Lankan rupees or Sri Lankan currency. They have to repay it in dollars or pounds or euros in which they took the loan. If they do not have this enough amount of this foreign currency, what they could do? They could not repay it. So the interest will go up, and also it will create a negative image for the country if they didn't repay the loan. So in these situations, the countries do currency swap negotiations. What they do? Here, assume Sri Lanka has a loan from World Bank and they have to repay it. They have to repay it in US dollars. But Sri Lankan forex reserve is very minimum. They have hardly around $4 billion worth currency forex reserve. So they could not repay it. So what the Sri Lanka do? Sri Lanka borrow from Bangladesh. Bangladesh provide fund for Sri Lanka in US dollar. Sri Lanka owe $200 million from World Bank and they didn't have dollars. They have money but they didn't have dollars worth of that money. So what they did? They borrow from Bangladesh. In what? In US dollars. They borrowed from Bangladesh in US dollars. 200 million US dollars. Not in Bangladesh taka, it is on US dollars. Then Sri Lanka ensure them to repay it in Sri Lankan rupees. Okay, they will repay in Sri Lankan rupees, Sri Lankan money. This $200 million worth amount will be repaid in Sri Lankan money. Okay, but they get dollars, and using this money they will pay the amount due in World Bank. That is what currency swap. Swap between two countries. Okay, swap between two countries, currency, to avoid the currency risk and balance of payment crisis. That is what currency swap. Thank you.